Hi, I'm Stephane Moreau, Product Manager for Stormshield's Centralized Management Solution. Today, more than ever, we know that network security is essential. But when you have to deploy and manage firewalls across multiple sites or customers, complications arise. Loss of time, repetitive tasks, risk of errors or inconsistencies. And the more firewalls you have, the more complicated it gets. In order to manage all these devices, it is necessary to set up centralized management. Let's take a closer look at this. If you have to manage a fleet of firewalls individually, you will spend a lot of time on both the maintenance and the initial setup, especially if you consider that you will have to travel on-site to install the equipment. The repetition of this task not only adds little value, but also increases the risk of errors, which, in turn, reduce the network security. To overcome this problem, centralized management solutions allow you to optimize the management of your firewall fleet. Stormshield Management Center, or SMC, fulfills this role. It provides you the possibility to manage your entire Stormshield firewall fleet from one central point. Let's review some of the benefits we can bring you. An obvious use case involves setting up a common filtering policy for several firewalls. With SMC, you can easily define common rules for organizational units, folders, or groups, while retaining the ability to delegate some responsibilities to a local administrator if you wish. And if you need to connect to your firewall, no need to manage dozens or even hundreds of passwords. SMC will let you connect to any device, securely and from a central point. SMC will also help you to deploy a new site. Initial configuration and installation can be done remotely without the need of on-site technical resources. Another point, if you need to check the status of your equipment, SMC can provide a global view of your entire fleet and will help you to get a global view of alarm raised. You can see at a glance if a site has a connectivity problem, an update issue, hardware overload, or anything else. The list could go on, and I only have 3 minutes. But there is one more important point I would like to mention, the interconnection between your sites. SMC allows you to manage your SD-WAN topologies from one central point. Do you want a mesh network, a star network, or a mix of both? With a few clicks, you can deploy your topology to the appropriate firewalls and set up your secure SD-WAN based on IPsec tunnels. And, of course, as your network evolves, you will be able to maintain and modify these topologies. There is no need to go on each device to configure and manage VPNs and interconnections. In short, whether you are an administrator in a multi-site company or an outsourcing provider for multiple customers, the Stormshield Management Center allows you to save time and focus on value-added tasks, while reducing the risk of error and increasing the security of your infrastructure.